May the Triple Gem bless you all. Today, a tiny virus particle that is invisible has become a great challenge to the whole world. Coronavirus or COVID-19 virus. It is no secret that in the face of this dreadful challenge, the health and security sectors of my motherland are working with great responsibility day and night to protect you and my life. So, first of all, take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of them. So, at this point, you and I and all the people of the world are helpless. Not only human beings who are affected by this disease, the human beings who are not affected are also having restless minds at this moment. We are lost among 1,000 questions like what will happen tomorrow and what will be the end of this pandemic. Even countries that are considered as world powers have been defeated by this virus. I think it is correct to say that you and I occasionally feel the fear of death as the corona snatched away thousands of lives in the world. So in this worst case scenario, you already know the structure of virus and how it spreads. I hope to explain a solution for this coronavirus which will suit not only for this situation but also for any other challenge in general also. It is a matter not only for our country but also of the world that the health capacity of the country is unbearable if the number of patients is very high with this current situation. This means that the necessary respiratory equipment, hospital facilities are inadequate. And you know that medicine has not yet found a specific drug for this COVID-19 disease. And even if such a drug was discovered today itself, it would not be possible to give it to patients as soon as it was discovered, because it is not possible to administer the drug at once without taking a significant amount of clinical testing. So, clearly, there is no physical solution to this disease so far. So, scientifically, we lost to corona so far. But these days, you have experienced a reality which is always coming to your mind. What is clear to you is that your life, the lives of your loved ones around you are uncertain. When will you lose yourself? When will you lose your loved ones? When will you have to bid farewell to your own properties? Can't say for sure what tomorrow will be. You can use the same mental attitude you have at this moment as a medicine for coronavirus. It's not a drug just for coronavirus, it's a drug for your whole existence. A valuable drug for the rest of your life. As a result of this epidemic, you have come to realize the impermanent nature which is contained in Lord Buddha's language. All these things we associate with you, including me, are called samskara or volitions according to Buddhist philosophy. That means all of these are occurred due to causes. The things occurred due to causes are known as samskara. That means I, you, your loved ones, all the stuff you associate with are samskara or volitions according to Buddhist philosophy. So, the quality of those samskara is the impermanent nature. But all living beings think that all of those volitions are permanent. That means we think that we, our loved ones, all the other stuff we associate are permanent. And we always think that they will not change easily. It is the nature of the mind of all living beings. But unfortunately, it is a misunderstanding. If they are permanent, why are we afraid of corona? They are not permanent. Always, all the things surrounding us are changing. They are impermanent. All of those occur due to causes. When causes cease, those effects will no more. They are changing. It is the reality. That is why our lives are uncertain. So, at this moment, you are scientifically unhelpful. Therefore, try to understand the reality of your surroundings. Please try to see all the volitions or samskara as impermanent natures. Please try to get rid of the permanent mentality. Please get more and more effort to see the constantly changing nature in everything that surrounds you. In the same way, try to see the reality, the impermanent nature of everything around you. Likewise, try to build up universal truth within your mind. Then spread your loving kindness to the world. That's the best thing you can do to defeat Corona at this moment. By this chart also, you can see all living beings have a misunderstanding as all the things around us are permanent. So now, we having a chance to see and hear that all the worldly things are changing. And we having a chance to realize the impermanent nature of the things around us. Therefore, try to memorize the impermanent nature of those things always. And correct your understanding as all the things around us are impermanent. Then you will be able to set your mind in the eternal truth. This coronavirus is a bad effect of forgetting this universal truth, and this disaster occurred as we follow the samskar without understanding the reality of those. Therefore, let us set the mind on eternal truth without seeking any more temporary solutions. Otherwise, even if Corona is defeated, more dangerous viruses will emerge in future. Therefore, set your mind in a realistic vision. May Lord Buddha bless you all.